Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel One to Step, and we are back with another brand new video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can share a TikTok video on your Snapchat. So TikTok and Snapchat are two different platforms. Snapchat is used for sending videos, receiving video, whereas TikTok is a platform where you guys can watch short form content like 1 minute content, as well as upload 1 minute content as well. So let me show you guys how you guys can share a TikTok video on Snapchat. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you need to have both TikTok and Snapchat installed on your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged in into your Snapchat account. After you have done that, you can choose the TikTok video which you want to send or like share on your Snapchat, and you can click on the little share button. So the share button is right below your commenting button on your TikTok. You can watch at the right side of your screen. There's going to be an arrow button pointing at the right side at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it and it's going to pop up over here. Now scroll a bit at the side until you see Snapchat logo over here. You need to scroll. Once you see Snapchat over here, just like in my screen, I see Snapchat. Now to see this icon, you need to have Snapchat installed on your device. All right, make sure Snapchat is installed on a device. Now you can click on Snapchat. Once you click on Snapchat, wait for some time until the loading is complete. And once you do that, it's going to say TikTok wants to open Snapchat. Click on open. You just need to provide access to open it. Now, once you come over here on Snapchat, the video is going to be exported like this. Now, to send it to your friends, you can click on send to at the bottom right corner of your screen. And you can choose whichever friend you want to send it to. So let's say I want to send it to my friend Shinoli. I can click on Shinoli. Click on the arrow button at the bottom right corner of my screen, and this video is going to be sent to Shinoli. Now if he wants to watch it, he can watch it. It already says deliver over here. All right, that's how you guys can share a TikTok video on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.